How does eucalyptus essential oil benefit the body? Well, eucalyptus offers a wide range of benefits for the body. This versatile oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is also supported by modern research. Now, it's important when using eucalyptus that you make sure to only use 100% pure, good quality eucalyptus essential oil. Now, we're going to be covering 7 benefits, so let's take a closer look at those. First of all, eucalyptus is well known for its ability to alleviate respiratory issues such as sinus congestion and coughs. Its expectorant properties help loosen up the mucus and make the secretion in our airways thinner, while its anti-inflammatory effects help to reduce inflammation. So eucalyptus oil is great at making it easier for us to breathe and promoting respiratory comfort. We can apply it to our chest, the bridge of our nose, the forehead, and on the bottoms of our feet to help with respiratory situations. We can also diffuse the eucalyptus, or we can put a drop or 2 in our hands, cup them together around our nose and mouth, and inhale it and help us open up our airways using it that way. Our second benefit of eucalyptus is for sore muscles and joint pain. Eucalyptus has analgesic or pain-relieving properties, and it helps to reduce discomfort and inflammation, offering a natural alternative for managing the minor aches and pains. To use it for this purpose, we can dilute it with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil and apply it topically directly to the area where we're dealing with the pain. Now, we have 5 more amazing benefits of eucalyptus to cover, but first, if you're new to essential oils, make sure to grab my free download where I cover the best essential oils for beginners. I not only show you the best ones to use as a beginner, but also how to use them, along with some awesome recipes for using them as well. So grab that free download by going to the link in the description below this video. Now, the next benefit of eucalyptus essential oil is its ability to help us with mental fatigue and sluggishness. Eucalyptus has an amazing, invigorating aroma, and smelling it may help with mental clarity, helping us to concentrate better and be more alert. So if we want to use eucalyptus oil to help give our brains a boost, we can put a drop or 2 in our hands, cup them together, and breathe in the eucalyptus oil like we mentioned a minute ago. And we can also diffuse the eucalyptus oil. Now, our fourth benefit of using eucalyptus essential oil is for bites and disinfecting wounds. Eucalyptus has antimicrobial and antiseptic properties, so it's really good at cleaning up wounds and soothing insect bites. It can help prevent infection and also promote faster healing. Now, for application, you would just apply the eucalyptus essential oil to the affected area, diluting it with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil if you feel like that's necessary. Now, our 5th benefit, eucalyptus oil is good for the scalp. When you mix it with your hair care products or use it on your scalp directly, it can help with dandruff, itchiness, and can also help to just keep your scalp healthy. If you're finding value in this video, hit that subscribe and thumbs up button to let us know. That helps more people be able to see this video. Now, benefit number 6 is eucalyptus oil can give our immune systems a boost. In fact, did you know that eucalyptus was widely used in World War I to control infections and influenza? So if we're dealing with, for example, an earache or a sore throat, then we can just dilute the eucalyptus with a carrier oil and apply it around and below our ear or on our neck. Our 7th benefit of eucalyptus is its ability to deter head lice. Eucalyptus oil is known for its insect repelling properties, so it's a perfect oil to use against pesky head lice. We can mix some in our shampoo or make a spray bottle with eucalyptus and a carrier oil to help protect against head lice infestations, and we can make our hair smell nice and fresh at the same time. Now, go ahead and grab my best essential oils for beginners guide down below this video, and if you want some great eucalyptus oil recipes, then check out this next video on your screen now, and I'll see you there.